I don't know anything about restoration. I know, it's so much fun. Well, hello there. How are you doing this fine afternoon? Well, it's afternoon where I'm at in Boise, Idaho. It's about 98, 99 degrees and it's cloudy and humid, which is crazy because we're in the middle of a desert. But that's okay. It's still a good day to be alive. Now, this is a bit of a different angle. I understand that. I kind of want to keep you guessing, but I guess you could probably guess that it's not quite done yet. I know I've been away for a long time, and I'm sorry, people. I will try to be more regular from here on out. I done fell in love, and well, that just kind of gets you preoccupied. But now I'm resetting my priorities. I want to teach you some more, I want to do some more, and I just want to go have fun and bring you along for the ride. Now, I'm going to show you this bug here in just one moment, but just remember, it's classic me, meaning it's not done right, but it's done fun. It's done fun. Is that a word? Can you say done fun? Done fun, I done fun. Anyway, there's a lot of areas on this bug where you can see the Bondo, you can see the filler, but that's actually redundant. Anyway, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's not perfect, but that's okay. This is just gonna be a real fun run around bug and hopefully make someone real happy. So here we go. As you can see a bunch of body work that needs to be done. It's not perfect. It has a lot of work that's left. Got to put all the windows in it. I gotta do a lot of work. That's okay. So there's a lot of things I've had to do with this bug to get it right. And it's not right. But as you can see over here, I've finished the Bondo. This all looks nasty. This is just actually wax that I need to get off. Sorry, it's gross, I know. The Bondo nastiness, that's pretty much looking okay. It's not perfect, but it's all right. Okay, it's okay. Here we have over here. Of course, we have a lot of interior work that needs to be done. The door jambs, well, they're all right. They look okay. Of course, all the paint is just all nasty. There's a bunch of like sediment that fell into the paint. So on this side, you can see a bunch of it, and on the other side, you can't because I went ahead and cut and buffed it. It doesn't look perfect, but it looks okay for an amateur paint job, right? Okay, so here coming up is going to be just kind of a montage or a collection or a mashup, or I don't know the right word. I'm gonna stitch together a bunch of videos here, and we're gonna show you how I got from the last time you saw the bug to what you see here. And then, moving forward, I'll try to do a little bit of work and then post. Do a little bit of work and then post. Because it's just kind of not so much fun just watching one big long string of restoration, right? You want to know about the intricacies, learn the tips and the tricks that I've learned as I go along. What I've learned with this project is that I think I know a lot, but the more I do, the more I realize I don't. I don't know anything about restoration. I don't know anything about engines. I thought I did. I've rebuilt lots. I've torn down lots when I had a motorcycle business. But, and I've done a lot of these Volkswagens in the past, but I'm just realizing that I don't know anything about these things. I have two surprises for you. One is the condition of this bug. It looks absolutely terrible, right? Sandy, nasty, gross, and it is, but that's because I've been doing a little bit of sandblasting. Now, surprise number two, which the first one wasn't really a surprise, more of a status update, but number two is I got my buddy Jordan. He's coming over here. He's a cool cat. We've done so much work together. We used to work on bugs together. I've helped him with an old Volkswagen truck. He's helped me with old Volkswagen bugs. I've helped him with his Jeepster. We have some fun history behind each other, and so he's gonna help me with this bug today. Look at all this sand. Look at this, it's crazy. So we've done a lot, but we have a lot more to do. I took the sandblaster and sandblasted all the areas where there's gonna be a seal. The problem with me sandblasting this and painting it is it's going to show off all of the imperfections in the metal. But as I've always said, I'm trying to show you every little detail of this bug. As you saw on the video about how to jack up a bug, you got to see the nasty little boogers coming out from the bottom from that JB weld. Still got to clean that up at some point. I just want to be forthcoming and honest with everybody who's watching these videos, and especially for the person who ends up with this bug. And there he is, Jordan. Check him out, folks.
Hello.
Hello, what's this up with this hello stuff? Gotta have personality, gotta have panache.
Hello, YouTube people.
There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. There's a lot of content in there, I get it. So there is some older content that I filmed throughout this last year and I haven't edited it and I haven't posted it, obviously. So I will be posting some more videos coming up with older content. But once we get to the place where you saw at the beginning of this video, you'll know we're up to speed, up to date, and you can follow along with me along the way. My schedule, not quite sure what it's gonna be. At least once a month though, I anticipate posting a video. So thanks for watching, guys. Get out there, go have some fun, and just take a risk. Learn something, push yourself. What do you have to lose? This is all fun. Yeah!